Hello everyone and welcome to Tesco.com. Today, Gabby from Tesco's e-commerce team will show you an all-new feature on Tesco.com called Global Availability. Gabby, take it away.
Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today. I'm Gabby, and I'll be walking you through the recent changes in global availability at Tesco.com. Please make sure you're logged into the system to access these changes. The first change that I will be showing can be found in the category and the search pages. Previously, our stock information that is seen here is based on the delivering plant that is associated to the ship to address that is selected here. Again, it's the nearest delivering plant associated to the ship to address selected here. What we did in this upgrade is that this in stock status now checks for availability for both warehouses, regardless of what is selected here. So in Tesco, we have two warehouses, both in Maryland and Nevada. So we are checking the stock information from both warehouses. For those items that are not in stock, it's the same behavior. We are showing the earliest available date. The material will arrive at Tesco warehouse, and this warehouse will be the home warehouse that is assigned to your ship to address. The other change that we have implemented is on the actual product page. We are now showing how many stocks are available and how many more stocks are left in our inventory. So this checks both warehouses. So once we add this to cart, go to cart. And this is how it looks like for those that we don't have stocks from any of the warehouses. So we add to cart. Moving to the cart page, we've implemented a new layout that segments items based on their shipping location. So now you'll see separate sections for items shipping from Maryland, shipping from Nevada, and all those that are out of stock, which we call back ordered items. Please note that once you place an order, it will generate 3 separate orders depending on the stock and shipping location. Again, we did this so that all those in stock from Nevada can be shipped out at once. All that are in stock from Maryland can be shipped out at once, and then any back ordered items are grouped into one order. This view that you see right now is what we call ship as available, and quotes are not allowed to be created from this point of view. The reason is we are relying heavily on current stock information. So once we create a quote that does not guarantee that we are reserving stocks for that quote, so we have not enabled codes in this view. Now, if we do want to create a quote, we have the other option called combined shipment. Combined shipment is exactly how it behaved before in TCOM, wherein it's just one signal order and then it drops into the warehouse assigned to your ship to address. The check process for the two options would relatively stay the same. However, for the ship as available option, once we click checkout, we will still see the 3 segments available, back ordered. We can choose the delivery option for each of them. And for the back ordered items, we can choose if we want to ship all items as a single shipment. And then everything stays the same. We have added order summaries for the 3 generated orders. Again, shipping fees and partial shipments, return to ship may change depending on the back end system. Again, the computation comes after we have received the calculation from the backend system. Notice that the PO number will be the same for all three generated orders. So please take note of that. So one PO number may generate a maximum of 3 orders. Again, thank you for walking through all these updates with me. I hope this gives some understanding of the recent changes in global availability and how it changes the ordering process. So if you have any questions, please do reach out to our support team members, and we will be happy to help out. Thank you.